you've taken a fence out of someone's brain.
Yes, yes.
What is that? Just another day at the office? Someone falls.
You see everything because we're covering, 4 million people every day. So we get a lot of different types of traumas, brain hemorrhages, but whatever comes in the door, we just deal with it.
What made you want to let the cameras in and look behind the curtain? Because it is a high-pressure job. You have an awful lot going on. You have people's lives, in your fingertips at this stage.
Well, I think the main reason we wanted to do it was that it is such a mystery for people what happens in Beaumont. Beaumont has a kind of, I don't mean a bad reputation, but a stressful reputation. You hear somebody's
Scary.
going to Beaumont, it's a scary place. You know they're not doing well. And I was interested in doing it just to let people see what we actually do and that we're just people and we're
And to encourage more people to get into it. Do we need to see more people in Ireland?
We need about twice as many neurosurgeons as we have.
Part of it is also, we have a big team. There's, 10 consultants and about 30 trainee surgeons in various kind of roles. And we kind of wanted to showcase it and show what we do because we're always under a lot of pressure for beds and resources, and we give a really good service, but we wanted to show that, we really need more to give it to more people who need it.